This video isn't necessarily instructional. I just had two things I wanted to share. When I was replacing these boards here, I was observing, and I had to redo these side guards here. They're basically runaway wheelchair prevention. But I like how there's these gaps. I know I've seen some decks where there is no gaps, or ramps where there is no guardrail, which is dangerous, but the gaps here, allows water to go through and leaves and things to go through, but also you use less lumber. So that's pretty neat. And the other thing is just with this job here, I traveled away from my house, and the easiest thing to transport tools and stuff in is just a bucket. People get fancy tool chests and rolling cases and things, and those are just kind of a pain, I think. I just put stuff in a bucket. And then it's multi-use. You can use it for water and sand or trash or whatever else. I just put everything, including trash and stuff, and all my tools back in there, and then bring it back to my garage.